So we got a 315 cat, and we're putting a fixed grapple saw on it. So this one had no quick hits, it just pinned right on the boom. We made the small electrical box, cover up the wiring and stuff like that. It didn't have the shutoffs or anything. So you can see up there we welded some plugs next to the hoses so you could take them off and cap them if they have an issue. So this machine only takes 3 lines to run it. It basically takes an A and a B and a K strain. So we put a couple diverter valves inside the mount, and that way we can utilize just one set of functions. It had a foot valve in it, so they wanted me to take that out and move it into the handle. So we put a couple 3-button sure grips in it. That side over there is your auxiliary, and this side would be your horn, rotate, and saw. And I'll show you how to run that. Then for the K strain, they don't give you a real good spot to mount it. There's any extra ports in the tank or anything, so we teed it in with another one going into the tank right here. And I think it was a couple of 12-foot hoses and a 6-foot hose. So you can see we splice them together up there, so if you got an issue, then you can fix them. Okay, so in the cab, this is our open and close. And you can see we cushion that cylinder so that it doesn't slam open. So now, let's see if I can do this. So now you have to hold this button down and run your auxiliary again over here to make it rotate. So now the same thing, but it's the trigger. Hold that down and run it, and your saw will come up. You want to set that at about 5 seconds. This machine had, I think it was 36 gallons a minute, but it runs it pretty good. So you would just run your button